Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing work permits in Thailand. We're specifically discussing this in the context of COVID-19 and the government response associated therewith. I've had a lot of questions from folks regarding both renewal and application for Thai work permits. These questions have stemmed from, well, this basic premise, which is, are they testing for COVID-19? Well, in point of fact, and we have done a number of renewals of work permits and applications for that matter, especially here recently where we've got folks entering Thailand in B visa status. The people have asked us, are they testing for COVID-19? And the response is, well, not that we have seen. The standard testing medical exam that's required for work permit issuance, at least as of the time of this video, does not require testing for COVID-19. Now that stated, a recent article from the Bangkok Post came to my attention, and I thought it would be prudent to, I thought it would be a good idea to go ahead and share it here. This is from print edition Bangkok Post, and it is from November 8, 2020. And so November 8, 2020, print edition the Bangkok Post. The article is titled, "Krabi Case Confirmed as Low-Risk Arrivals Enjoy Shorter Quarantine." So, quoting directly, a local case in Krabi was among 12 new COVID-19 patients reported yesterday, raising Thailand's total infections to 3,830. Quoting further, and this is the relevant point here, the local case was an Indian man, 37, who works at a restaurant in the southern resort province. He tested positive on Wednesday while taking a health test for a work permit. So, again, they don't, as we've noted, the standard protocols for work permit medical exams don't include a COVID-19 test. Now, exactly how that transpired remains to be seen. There's further information in this article. I urge you to go check it out. Article's titled, "Krabi Case Confirmed as Low-Risk Arrivals Enjoy Shorter Quarantine." I suspect that's on the Bangkok Post website. And they note that he's being treated. They note that all due consideration was taken with respect to trying to locate folks that had been in contact with him. Thus far, there's been no reports of anything that's happened that's been of a negative consequence in the aftermath of this whole thing. That stated, it did sort of beg the question is, why was he being tested for COVID with respect to his work permit exam? Hopefully we'll see some further information come out on that later on. Long story short, with respect to all of our cases that we're seeing processed, no, COVID-19 testing is not part of that process. It's our understanding the CCSA, and specifically Dr. Tawisin, who is the head of he's the main doctor for the CCSA. It's been our understanding that such protocols are not to be undertaken, and nothing in this article led me to believe that they would be. But people have asked me about this ever since they read this. This was on the front page of the Bangkok Post. So my response is, no, as of this time, work permit protocols associated with medical certification has not changed, and it does not currently require COVID-19 testing. Could that change in the future? Yes, certainly. Do I think it's likely? Not really. Notwithstanding this situation, I don't think it's probably likely, or I don't think it's very likely we're going to see a change in that protocol. And that stated, we will update you on this channel if that situation evolves to change what we're currently reporting.